Hi guys, welcome to YouNPlays here. Today I'll be showing you how to install BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a application where you can install unlimited amount of Android games on your computer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. All the links will be down below, all the the BlueStacks website and stuff. So there's no need to worry about to do all them. So I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to want to go to the BlueStacks website, which will be in the description, or it's www.bluestacks.com. Install it, go through the setup. I'll show you how to go through the setup. Wait for it to load. So you'll have install now. I have update now because I already have it. So I will update. It'll install for you. But then once you've done, you will have unlimited amount of Android games. These Android games, you'll have to log into your account, Google account. So if you have a Google account, this will work. If you don't, then it won't work for you. So you can get Among Us and stuff. So yeah, it's quite straightforward. I just thought I'd let you guys know how to do it. And now you have unlimited amounts of Android games. So hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe if you want more tutorials, and ask me some tutorials for other things, like other games to install, other applications, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.